Oculus Quest 2 headsets come packaged with a silicone cover for the face pad. If you're unsure what to do with this rubbery piece, keep watching, because in this short video, I'll show you exactly how to install the cover over the existing cloth pad. You don't have to use it, but they included it because there were lots of reports of skin irritation from the existing face pad. To install the silicone cover, the entire eyepiece needs to come off, and it actually detaches pretty easily. Even with a bit of pressure, there's no worry you're going to break it. Now start at the top and line up the notches on both the silicone cover and the plastic frame. The cover is really flexible and it needs to be pulled over the outside edge of the face pad. There's no need to rush this, just take your time and slip it on all the way around. There's a little lip around the hard plastic that the silicone cover will latch onto. When you get to the nose area, give it a slight pull and that part of the cover will catch on the edge of the pointy tip. At this point, make sure that it wraps all around the molded plastic ring. It looks okay now, but we're not quite done yet because the silicone cover also has to fold over the inside edge of the plastic frame. A bit of light stretching and massaging will help it fully surround the plastic. When all the edges are done, take another look around to see that it's securely attached. And I'm glad I checked because I almost forgot about this edge at the top. Overall, this is looking really good. I want a nice smooth fit so I won't feel anything weird when I'm wearing the Oculus. If you see a part of the cover poking out, just lightly stretch the silicone to the sides and eventually it will fit like a glove. Now just snap the face pad in place and it's all done. I think it's a good idea to get the silicone cover installed before you use the headset too much. That way you'll have less sweat and dirt trapped on the original cloth pad. I think it would have been nice if the face pad was already made of silicone in the first place. But now that it's on, I think it definitely looks and functions better than the original cloth eyepiece. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.